Hello, EDCI 710, Jody and Natalie and Janet. It was great to be with you in Goldsboro this past weekend. I enjoyed our time together and learned a lot from you as usual. We do need to keep things moving, and you don't have any big assignments due this week or next week, but week 8, in just a couple of weeks, you have a lot to do. You know that you need to be writing your FCEP Part C. You need to be working on the PLM draft. You should be working on your proposal draft, and I'll say something about that over in 709. So migrate over to 709 when you're done here. I'll say something about that. I do want you to please post the belief statement that you drafted and read Sunday morning for us. So post work on another draft of that belief statement, please, or take what you have and load it up here and respond to at least one other as part of this authentic leadership part 2. That's the belief statement. So put it up there, please. And again, I think that if you craft this correctly and save it, that this should be useful to you somewhere, sometime down the line. I use mine as a middle school graduation speech. But then you are to read Glickman, chapters 15 to 17. Mine don't exactly jive, but we're getting into the portion of the book that is offering assistance to others, either in group development, professional development, and curriculum development. Those are the chapters 15 to 17 in my book. At any rate, I was puzzled about these reflective exercises. Here's what I want you to do in terms of your professional growth and in terms of your role in your school. For this discussion board prompt about reflective exercises at the end of the chapters, I'm not sure exactly what reflective exercises they're talking about there, but I think it should be reflecting about your leading professional development, group development, teacher development, PLC development in your schools. So what do you want to be a better mentor to BTs? What do you determine should be your own personal professional growth needs? Do you want to set up a book study for your PLC? Write the problem in terms of your own professional growth, leading others in professional development, and then respond to it with something from these chapters. What resonated with you? What could you use? How could you take some of the information about professional growth in this and the other texts, because the other text should be informing us about adult growth and learning and leading professional development as well. So write something here, please, and respond to the discussion board about professional growth and others. So you're to read Glickman, you're to read Crane and L.E. Drago Severson. You should be working and writing and working on those evidences. Please do note that July 7th, July 4th falls in week 7, and there are no posted assignments or due dates during that time. But week 8, everything hits the fan. So here in week 6, I hope you're working ahead and keeping up with things. I've added the submission calendar here so that you can be reminded that week 8, things really heat up, and then we're sliding into the end of the semester. So work hard, keep up with it this week. Do work on your proposals as well, and zip over to 709 and hear what I have to say there next, please. Hope it's a great week for you. I hope you do have some downtime, but keep up with the writing and write to me if you have any questions. Thanks. That's all for this week.